des productions. Souhaite quoi. Je suis en forêt. What the hell is that? What the hell?
We're probably about 10 minutes to the road.
Honestly?
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's in my pocket.
Grab it.
Let's start moving. Let's move. That was definitely the bells.
That was more wind.
Is there anything behind it?
No.
I just don't want anything creeping up on us. No. I really.
The thing goes.
More live action, more channels, more for you to discover.
It's been a really good start.
Absolutely loving that.
Unbelievable. You can do it all day.
Astro Home of Sports, easier than ever. Ses amis aiment explorer des forêts tard dans la nuit à la recherche de bâtiments abandonnés. Lors d'une de leurs explorations, ils ont commencé à avoir l'impression que quelqu'un les suivait à travers les arbres. Soudain, ils ont entendu un sifflement provenant de la forêt. Malgré leur peur, ils ont continué jusqu'à atteindre un bâtiment abandonné caché au cœur des bois. Craignant que quelqu'un soit dans les environs, ils ont installé une alarme rudimentaire avec du fil de pêche et des clochettes. Après avoir testé le dispositif et n'avoir rien remarqué d'anormal, ils ont décidé de partir. Juste au moment de s'en aller, quelque chose d'inattendu s'est produit.
So we just finished all our sessions in there. Unfortunately, we're not really sure if we did find anything. I don't think that we did. We're going to review a lot of it in the video editing program. We did get a little bit lost, off track, but I think that we're on the right path now. And I would say we're probably about 10 minutes to the road. Yeah. No, it's in my pocket.
Grab it.
Let's start moving. Let's move. That was definitely the bells.
That was more wind.
Is there anything behind it?
No.
I just don't want anything creeping up on us. No. I really don't want anything creeping up on us. Dude, this is the most uncomfortable I've probably ever been in my whole entire life.
Do you hear the crackle? Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping?
I don't know, dude. That sounded close. You know what? Let's say we hurry up a little bit. Yeah.
Get out of here. Let's go.
Les clochettes ont soudainement retenti, indiquant que quelqu'un avait franchi le fil. Le groupe a immédiatement couru vers leur voiture et s'est enfui encore sous le choc.
Hey, I was born like this, conformed like this inside my own projection. I was torn like this, upon like this, think twice about my direction. Keep on going with this, was born for this, big price for my protection. I've been living all my life, just waiting for perfection. Hey, breaking the bread like I'm angry, popping it up, so get at me. Making you space like I'm anti, tank with the shape, you can face me. So looking like this, here is a shot that I just can't honest. Who is a sucker that's looking like this? Throw out of my hands and look at his fish.
Le clip suivant est une vieille vidéo peu connue qui circule sur Internet depuis des années. Un homme nommé Mike pensait que quelque chose d'étrange bougeait près de la lisière des arbres derrière sa maison tard dans la nuit.
Maybe creature or some sort of monster. I have no idea what it is, but just saying it's sweat God. Just trying to find it. What the hell is that? What the hell?
Une nuit, il a pris une lampe torche et est allé vérifier filmant ce qu'il voyait. Bien que les images soient floues, on peut distinguer quelque chose d'inhabituel se déplaçant dans l'obscurité. Aucune explication claire n'a jamais été donnée.
The thing goes grrrr,